All right, here we go. The severe weather continues overnight tonight. We have another round of strong to severe thunderstorms as a line of severe weather moves in after midnight tonight through about 4 to 6 o'clock in the morning. It is going to produce heavy rain, damaging wind, and possible isolated tornadoes. So have a way to receive your weather information overnight tonight as we will continue to keep an eye on this. We did make it into the warm side today. 90 degrees in Chattanooga, 84 Tri-Cities, and 78 degrees, a little bit more comfortable in Cumberland County. So here's that storm system moving its way across the region from the Ohio Valley to the southeastern U.S. And as it moves its way in, that's the line of storms we're talking about. There's midnight tonight. We'll bring it down to the local level here in a little bit. We'll go to the early morning hours by 7 o'clock in the morning, still hanging on to some showers around the area. But the cold front's still off to our west. Now we're going to heat up the atmosphere. It's still going to be a nice Monday afternoon for some barbecuing or outdoor events. But we have to watch out for the threat for some isolated afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And if they develop, they will go severe very quickly because we have a very primed atmosphere again on Monday. Behind the cold front, cooler, drier air settles on in, and there is relief on the way. All right, so the storm prediction still has us under that risk for severe weather as we head through the early morning hours, and we'll continue that. So here in East Tennessee, we have a level 2 and a level 3 risk, and so we still have isolated tornadoes, damaging wind, and large hail. So here are the storm threats overnight tonight. High possibility of damaging winds, medium category for tornadoes, hail, and also flooding and flash flooding. You got to realize that some of us picked up well over 2 inches of rainfall today, and that just exacerbates the problem as we head into the overnight hours. Now, through our Monday, through our Sunday, here's that closer view. So Sunday night into Monday morning, here's that closer view of how these storms are going to play out. Again, it's after midnight tonight into the early morning hours, and could pose a problem for us here in East Tennessee. We're going to wake up to a very soggy start to our Monday morning, but then the showers come to an end before they fire back up, possibly Monday afternoon. Now, the Weather Prediction Center still has us under a level basically 2 risk for some localized flooding and flash flooding. So have a way to receive that weather information. Download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal of apps on your phone. I'll give you all the latest notifications from the National Weather Service, the Storm Prediction Center, from yours truly if I need to break in and do live severe weather coverage. And it's 100% free. So go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search EastTN Weather, all one word. Overnight lows drop into the 60s tonight as we started on our Monday morning through the day on Monday. Nice warmer afternoon, muggy as well until the cold front comes through. But that again could spark off those showers and storms. So even Monday, we have a level 1 risk for some isolated strong thunderstorms before this whole event starts to wind down and wrap up. So the cold front's going to come through right around noon or so on Monday, and that's going to bring us increasing chances for some isolated afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And again, if they go, they're going to go severe pretty quickly. And we still actually do have a tornado threat. So damaging wind, large hail, and tornadoes are still possible if they develop in the atmosphere on Monday. By Monday night, everything quiets down, but rainfall totals are likely to be pushing 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Here's your 7-day temperature trend. We're going to see nice, cooler, comfortable weather on the way. That's not your temperature trend. Those are rain chances, but this coincides with the nice temperature trend because we're going to shut down the rain chances. Finally, we'll get a break from this activity, at least for a while. Let's hope for a long time. And temperatures will fall into the mid to upper 70s through the middle and latter part of the week with low temperatures in the 50s and 60s. So really nice weather. Again, I can't stress enough. Download this app today. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search EastTN Weather, all one word. It's 100% free, and it gives you all the weather all the time for East Tennessee, but it also goes on vacation with you. And it GPSs your location to give you all inclement weather, severe weather alerts right there from your cell phone. All right, we sure hope you have a great night. Again, stay weather alert. Have a way to charge everything up overnight tonight before you go to bed. And just know that we will be talking about and tracking the possible severe weather tonight in the middle of the night. Have a great one.